Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children. Yeah, we'll continue with the revision. Yeah, I want the class to work. Question number 11. Question number 11. So what is that you will find first, children? Okay, let me tell you the procedure. Fine. You have A, right? A is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. All if you find 1 by A. All if you find 1 by A. And tell me what is 1 by A. Does it take so long, children? Yeah.
Ma'am,
5 plus 2 root 6, ma'am.
5 plus 2 root 6.
Yeah, 1 by A is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Next, all of you find A plus 1 by A. All of you find A plus 1 by A.
Ma'am, 10.
10. A plus 1 by A is 10. Okay. Now, so you have this result, A plus 1 by A, this result. Now you take up whatever is whatever is to be found. So now you have to find root A minus 1 by root A. You have to find this. So you square this and expand it. First, you find the value of A plus 1 by A. Now have this result. Now take up whatever is to be found. Root A minus 1 by root A. Square it. What will you get when you square this? What is root A minus 1 by root A the whole square? It's of the form A minus B the whole square, right? What is A square?
A, ma'am.
Root A the whole square. Correct. Root A the whole square. Then plus B square. What is plus B square plus?
1 by root A the whole square.
1 by root A the whole square. Then minus 2AB. Minus 2 into root A into 1 by root A. So this is equal to, so root A minus 1 by root A, the whole square is equal to, what is root A, the whole square A, plus this one is 1 by A. And here cancels, so minus 2. So that is 10. A plus 1 by A is 10. This one we already found, it's 10. So 10 minus 2. So see here. So 10 minus 2, which is 8. So root A minus 1 by root A, the whole square is 8. Root A minus 1 by root A, the whole square is 8. So root A minus 1 by root A will be equal to the square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. So the procedure is, we have A, we must find 1 by A. This is 1 by A. Then we must find A plus 1 by A. Have that result. Then whatever is to be found, write that and square it. So this is of the form A minus B the whole square, which is A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. So root A and root A cancels. A plus 1 by A is 10. 10 minus 2. Whole square is 8. So square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. Take down, children. Remember the procedure. That's very important. Done, children. Now find, do this one. Find this, find root x plus 1, not this one. Find only this, root x plus 1 by root x. Same procedure.
And got the answer.
Yeah. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 18.
3 root 2, ma'am.
3 root 3, is it? Swati?
3 root 2, ma'am.
3 root 2. And Laksha?
Ma'am, I forgot one step. Ma'am, I just missed it.
Yeah, it is 3 root 2. Perfect. Very good, Swati. So procedure is similar, children. We'll have to find, we have x. We need to find 1 by x. 1 by x is 8 plus 3 root 7. Then we need to find x plus 1 by x. We need to find x plus 1 by x. Minus 3 root 7 plus 3 root 7 cancels. 8 plus 8, 16. Now have this ready. Have the value of x plus 1 by x ready. Now we have to find root x plus 1 by root x. Write that and square it. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, because it's a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So again, x plus 2 plus 1 by x. So it's nothing but x plus 1 by x plus 2. X plus 1 by x is already here, 16. So 16 plus 2, 18. Whole square is 18. So root x plus 1 by root x will be the square root of, like a square is 18. So a is equal to the square root of 18. So square root of 18 is 9 root 2. Square root of 9, sorry, square root of 9 into 2. Square root of 18 is square root of 9 into 2, which is 3 root 2. Again, to find this, we'll have to square this one. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Then you'll get x plus 1 by x. Take the value minus 2, 14, square root of 14. Okay. Yeah, find this one, children. X to the power 4. X to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. I'll tell you the procedure. You have x. Find 1 by x. Then find x plus 1 by x. Also find x minus 1 by x. Find x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. Now, actually, x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to x square the whole square minus 1 by x square the whole square. So it's like a square minus b square, which is a plus b into a minus b. So that's nothing but a plus b into a minus b. Children, we have done all these sums earlier. I'm not explaining now. We're just recalling. We have done all this. So to find x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4, you need the value of x square minus 1 by x square and x square plus 1 by x square. You need the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x square minus 1 by x square. You need x square plus 1 by x square and x square minus 1 by x square. How will you get x square minus 1 by x square? It's x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. And this one you can get x squared plus 1 by x squared. You can get by squaring this one or this one. By squaring this or this, you can find x squared plus 1 by x squared. How do you find x squared minus 1 by x squared? This is like a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So you have x, you must find 1 by x. Then you find x plus 1 by x. You can square this one both the sides and find x squared plus 1 by x squared. But you should also find x minus 1 by x. If you want, you can square this also. Any one you can square and get x squared plus 1 by x squared. Any one you do. Then you multiply these two. Multiply x plus 1 by x and x minus 1 by x. If you multiply these two, you'll get x squared minus 1 by x squared. Now you should multiply these two, x squared plus 1 by x squared into x squared minus 1 by x squared is x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. Do this. First find this x plus 1 by x, then find x minus 1 by x. Then find multiply both and get x squared minus 1 by x squared. And then 4 find this. And then finally this one. Do this, children. Just come back in 3 minutes. Please do this. We are working only the fourth one, only this.
Ma'am, minus 816 root 2, ma'am.
Is that Sahana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am?
but you have to, yes.
Ma'am, it's 1156. 1154, ma'am.
Okay, fine. We'll just wait for the others to complete.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, one by one, share your final answers.
Ma'am,
Bhavishri?
I got 1156, ma'am.
1156. Okay. Swati said some 816 something. Then Laksha? Not Laksha. I think Sadhna and Sabarna said
1154, 1154, ma'am.
1154. Okay. Sahana, you said something?
Ma'am, minus 816 root 2, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else?
1156.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I haven't shared my answer yet, ma'am.
Swati, what's your answer?
Minus 816 root 2, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So two of you have got that answer, Sahana and Swati. So the correct answer is minus 816 root 2 is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So this is x, this is x. You need to find 1 by x, which is 3 plus 2 root 2. Then you need to find x plus 1 by x. 6, x minus 1 by x. So here maybe you went wrong with the signs. It will be minus 3 minus 2 root 2. Maybe you went wrong here with the signs, I don't know. Possibility, see, if you've adopted the correct procedure but still have not got the correct answer, then you could have gone wrong here. Because x minus 1 by x, in brackets, x minus 1 by x. So when you open the bracket, minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So possibility that you have some maybe canceled this and got 6 here. I don't know. So this is minus 4 root 2. And then I told you to find x square plus 1 by x square. You can square either this one on both the sides, or you can square this on both the sides. So find this. And this is how we factorize x to the power 4 minus 1 by x to the power 4. This is how we factorize. Just a minute, children. Yeah, children. So, yeah, you found the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Now you can do it like this also. X square minus 1 by x square is x plus 1 by x into x minus 1 by x. So the value of this one is 34. X plus 1 by x is out here, 6. And x minus 1 by x is here, minus 4 root 2. It's minus 816 root 2.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Anirudh, then just try to leave the meeting and join again. It should be fine then.
Okay, ma'am.
Now or from the beginning? Yeah, children, this is your next question. Find x and y. Are you back in the meeting, Anirudhan?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
The screen was not visible for you from the beginning of the session or just now?
Just now, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So whenever that happens, no, you just have to leave the meeting and rejoin. Then it will be fine. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, children, see, if you want, take a screenshot of the slide. If you haven't completed the answer, if you have to work it again from the beginning, take a picture of the slide. Yeah. This is your next question.
Ma'am, x value is equal to 9 by 11, ma'am. Y by 11 is equal to minus 19 by 11, ma'am.
You cannot get minus 19 by 11. Just compare correctly.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. Minus
Yeah.
19, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Minus 19 and x is what?
9 by 11, ma'am.
Okay, x is 9 by 11 and y is?
Minus 19, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's check in some time. Anyone else wants to share the answer?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, x is 3 by 11, y is 4, ma'am.
3 by 11 and 4. Sahana, did you say this? 9 by 11 and 19?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're right, Sahana. Very good. Bhavishya, check. You must have made some mistake while simplifying. Addition, subtraction, please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So class, you have to rationalize the denominator. So 3 plus 2 root 5. The rationalizing factor is 3 minus 2 root 5. So we multiply and divide by 3 minus 2 root 5. So write this x root 5. This one you keep writing as it is here. This one you should not take LCM or something. Keep writing it as it is. As it is here. No change. As it is till the end. Only the left hand side. Only this one will simplify by rationalizing the denominator. Then multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. That is what you see in this step. Then how do you multiply the numerators? That's important. Multiply the first term with the second bracket. See here? So here also possible that some children went wrong here. That's why you did not get the answer. Some of us, the answer, you might have not been able to compare. On the right hand side, you have root 5 and y by 11, right? X root 5 and y by 11. So you might have not got similar things in the left hand side. Because you have not multiplied this correctly. Possibility, I'm saying. Possible that you did not multiply this correctly and hence you were not able to compare the LHS and RHS. So how do you multiply? First term 3 with the second bracket 3 minus 2 root 5. Second term minus root 5 with the second bracket 3 minus 2 root 5. So this multiplication is very important. If maybe you've written 3 minus root 5 the whole square or 3 minus 2 root 5 the whole square by mistake. These are two different expressions. It's not 3 minus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. Then it is 3 minus root 5 the whole square. This is 3 minus root 5 into 3 minus 2 root 5. They are two different expressions. So how do you multiply? Multiply the first term 3 with the second bracket. The second term with the second bracket. So that will be 3 3s are 9. Then 3 into this one minus 6 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 2 5s are 10. So now here you can simplify like so. So you can simplify. And you have this. There's a minus sign in the denominator. The denominator is 9 minus 20, which is minus 11. So what you do, this minus 11, take it up to the numerator. Always. Whenever the denominator has a minus sign, you can take it up to the numerator. But how do you do that? Okay, how do you do that? Write this one, meaning enclose the numerator and brackets. Enclose the numerator and brackets, and then take this minus sign up to the numerator. That's what you do. See here, this one is in brackets in the next step. It's in brackets. And then this minus is taken up to the numerator. So it becomes minus into minus plus 9 root 5, minus into plus minus 19 by 11. The denominator minus is taken up to the numerator. In the numerator, whatever expression you have, enclose it in a bracket. because the minus has to be applied to both the terms in the numerator. Now, the simplification is done. This is the final step. Now you have to compare. So how do you compare? Take this 11 for both the terms in the numerator. See, like if you have a minus b by c, you can write it as a by c minus b by c. If you have a minus, or say you have a plus b minus c plus d, okay, by 3. This can be written as a by 3 plus b by 3 minus c by 3 plus d by 3. Every term in the numerator will have the denominator 3. So here also 9 root 5 by 11 minus 19 by 11 is equal to x root 5 minus y by 11. Now it's easy to compare. Now when you compare these two, what happens? Root 5 and root 5 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 9 by 11. Whatever is remaining, see at x root 5, you're comparing this and 9 by 11 root 5. So when you compare, what happens? Root 5 and root 5 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 9 by 11. Then when you compare these two, what do you have? Minus y by 11 is equal to minus 19 by 11. Minus y by 11 is equal to minus 19 by 11. So minus and minus cancels. 11 and 11 cancels. So y is equal to 19. Y is equal to 19. Take a picture, children. Please practice very important questions. All right, next question. Similar one, do this. If you've not taken a screenshot, please take one. Yeah, try this one now. Found X and Y, children?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
X is 9 by 21, Y is 4 by 21.
Again, by 21 I heard. What by 21?
X is 9 by 21,
Ah,
Y is 4 by 21.
okay. 9 by 21 can be simplified. Okay, 9 by 21, 4 by 21. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, X is equal to 4 by 21, Y is equal to minus 39 by 21, ma'am.
Okay, again, 39 by 21 can be simplified.
Ma'am, 13 by 7, ma'am, Y is equal to minus 13 by 7.
Sadhana and Sabarna are right. 4 by 21. And I think this is what they said. 4 by 21 and 9 by 21. Even I have not simplified 9 by 21. So let me also do it now. So this can be reduced to, what is it? 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So it's 3 by 7. Sadhana and Sabarna, did you say this answer, both of you? Yeah, you said something close to this. You said something by 21. Very good. Sadhana and Sabarna, very good. Sahana, what was your answer? The second one you said was different. Yeah.
Ma'am, Y is equal to minus 39 by 21, I said, ma'am.
Okay, please check your mistake. You can see the answer on the screen. Please check your mistake.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So here also the multiplication is different. You have to be careful. So after using the rationalizing factor, 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. So now how do you multiply the numerators? First term, 2 root 6 into the second bracket, 3 root 5 plus 2 root 6. Second term, root 5 multiplied by the second bracket, 3 root 5, 2 root 6. First term into the second bracket, second term into the second bracket. Denominator is like a minus b into a plus b. So a squared minus b squared, which is 45 minus 24, which is 21. As I told you for the earlier one, here there's nothing to simplify. This one should come as it is. As it is, as it is. This is just used for comparing. So you'll have to multiply carefully. Careful is what you have to be, nothing else. It is simple. You can simplify these two. So you get 4 root 30 and this one simplifies to plus 9. Then as I told you should write this as 4 root 30 by 21. Separately, 4 root 30 by 21, 9 by 21. 4 root 30 by 21, 9 by 21. 9 by 21 can be reduced to 3 by 7. So now compare both the sides. When you compare these two, root 30 and root 30 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 4 by 21. When you compare these two, nothing will get cancelled. So y is equal to 9 by 21, 3 by 7. Take a picture, children. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Have we done this assignment, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we have finished this
Yes,
one, is
ma'am.
it? Oh, okay, okay. One and two you finished, is it? 1 and 2? Or you don't remember?
And we have done only some of the questions from assignment 2, ma'am. Assignment 1 only we have completed it fully.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, work this one, children. 24. Question number 24. Question number 24. Class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Abhishek, Laksha, Anugraha, Sahana, Swati, Sadhna, Sabarna, Bhavishya, Roshni, Aragamai. Srivatsan, Anirudhan, and Aragamai. Are you all there?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
to raise the hand button, ma'am? I don't know, ma'am.
No problem. You can find that emoji. Reactions, in reactions, you can find that emoji. Or I don't know. You can see here it is. See, I'm showing it here on my screen. Raise. So you can see I've raised my hand. See here. Can you see that, Anirudhan? Or not Anirudhan, sorry, Srivatsan.
Yeah, ma'am, I see.
Yeah, so you can see here.
Sure.
If you want to lower your hand, tap on the same thing to lower.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, very good. All right, children. Please continue working.
Ma'am, answer is 0.7565, ma'am.
0.7565, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Laksha, correct?
Ma'am, Sahana, ma'am.
Oh, Sahana, okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
answer is minus 1.465.
1.465. Who's this?
Sadhana, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I got 1.466.
Who was that?
Ma'am, D. Srivatsan.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I got minus 1.465.
Okay. Let's yeah. No, I have minus 1.4635. I think most of us were close to this one. You might have forgotten the minus sign, that's all. But please check your procedure.
I got 1.4621, ma'am.
Okay, so you can see the answer right in front of you. Please check and let me know where I have to explain. Yes, children, I'm waiting for your questions. So the basic idea to do this one is there are three terms in the denominator. So you need to group the first two. You need to group the first two. So that makes it root 3 minus root 2 minus 1. So the conjugate will be, write this as it is, write this as it is. This minus becomes plus. This one as it is, 1 as it is, the minus, the connector minus becomes plus. That's the conjugate. So you get started like that. Then multiply the numerators. Multiply the denominators. So that will be a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b squared. So the numerator, there's nothing to simplify. So that keeps coming down as it is. This one, when you expand, it's like a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 1. So simplify this, you get 4 minus 2 root 6. 2 is common. Between 4 and 2 is common. So take out 2 common. 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 root 6. Now, when you have to continue to rationalize the denominator because the denominator is still not rational. It is irrational. It is still irrational. So the conjugate of 2 minus root 6 is 2 plus root 6. This 2 is already rational. This one is rational. You don't have to take this along. 2 minus root 6. So 2 plus root 6 into 2 plus root 6. So again, we need to multiply the numerators. This one multiplied by this one. So how do you multiply these two? The first term with the second bracket 2 plus root 6. The second term multiplied by the second bracket 2 plus root 6. And the third term multiplied by the second bracket 2 plus root 6. Divided by, you need to multiply this, this and this. This is nothing but a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. And this 2 as it is outside. 2 as it is outside. Now here you'll have to open the brackets. So multiply this 2 root 3, root 18. Root 3 into root 6 is root 18. But I've told you don't write root 18. Break down into factors and write it. Break down into factors and write it. Write this 3 as it is. This 6 is further 3 into 2. 6 is further 3 into 2. Root 3 into root 6. So it is root of 3 into 6. Instead of writing 6, write 3 into 2. Similarly, when you multiply this one and this one, it is root of 2 into 6. But instead of writing 6, write 2 3s are 6. So that way what happens in the next step, from 2 3s, 1 3 comes out. From 2 2s, 1 2 comes out. Plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is root 2. Then this root 6 and plus 2 divided by minus 4. Now, whenever there's a minus sign in the denominator, you need to take it up to the numerator. Whenever there's a minus sign in the denominator, you have to take it up to the numerator. So that will become, so the minus sign will be applied to every term in the numerator. So it will become minus root 2, minus root 6, minus 2. That is when you multiply the signs. When you multiply the signs, you'll have to take the minus to the numerator. So it will be like this. So it will be minus root 2, minus root 6, minus 2 divided by 4. Now at this point, we have completely simplified. We have completely simplified at this point. Now use the values of root 2 and root 6 given. So simplify this. You get minus 5.854, divide by 4. Divide like this by 4. 5.854 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 1 is a remainder. This point 8 comes down. 4 4s are 16. 2 remains. 5 comes down. 4 6 are 24. 1 is a remainder. That 4 comes down. 4 3s are 12. 2 is a remainder. You can add a 0. Every stage you can add 1 0. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So 1.4635. It's minus because all the terms are negative, no? Everything is negative. So the sum is negative. Is that understood, children? No, you should, meaning be able to recall. You should have practiced. By now, you should have practiced all the sums from number systems. You're in your vacations. So we have already done 2 3 sums like this we have done earlier. So we're only recalling. I did not explain in detail. You know that. So today, a very important thing, what you should have recalled and now you should remember forever is that whenever you have to multiply expressions that are different. Normally in the numerator, if you have like 2 minus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, next step you'll write 2 minus root 3 the whole square. But when you have to multiply different expressions, like this one, when you have to multiply different expressions, then how do you multiply? Write the first term, multiply by the second bracket. Second term, multiply by the second bracket. Third term, multiply by the second bracket. So this multiplication is very important. And then when you multiply, like when you have to multiply this root 3 and root 6, it will be root of 3 into 6. Root of 3 into 6. But write it as root of 3 into 6. You break it down as 3 into 2. Don't write 3, 6 are 18. Similarly here, root of 2 into 6 is 2 into 3. So then from 2 3s, 1 3 comes out. From 2 2s, 1 2 comes out. And then you also should have understood as to how to handle the minus sign in the denominator. When there's a minus sign in the denominator, you'll have to take it up to the numerator. After simplifying, simplify. And at this stage, take up the minus to the numerator. So it will become minus whatever is in the numerator, enclose that in a bracket. Whatever is in the numerator, put that in a bracket like this. Put that in a bracket by 4. This minus sign, take it up here. So it will become minus root 2 minus root 6 minus 2. Now here you can see that the denominator is rationalized, meaning you don't find anything irrational in the denominator. The denominator is rational. And it's completely simplified, like the minus sign also, we took it up to the numerator. It's completely simplified. At this stage, use the values of root 2 and root 6 given in the question. Okay. Take a picture, children, if you want. Yeah. Yes, children, please try this one.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is it x power x by y minus 1?
Yeah. Share the picture of your working, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Immediately. Yeah. Others can keep trying.
Ma'am, x power x by y minus 1, ma'am.
Yeah. Share the picture of your answers, Hannah. Meaning the steps which you have used to get the answer.
Ma'am, I have shared the picture.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got x to the power y by x minus 1, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah. I want all of you to share the answer. Can you explain what you worked? Who's this, Sahana or Sabarna? No, Sadhna or Sabarna? Who's this?
Sabarna, ma'am.
Ma'am, I shared the picture to you, ma'am.
Sahana. Yeah. Yes. Only Sahana's working is clear for me. The others have worked it, but I'm not sure even if, but I'm not sure if you yourself understand your working. I don't know. I don't know if it's a physical class, then I can ask you to explain, but now I'll not disturb you. I have understood what the others have worked. I don't want to comment. I can say something, but I don't want to say actually. I'm just going ahead with Sahana's answer. Sahana's done it right. So, right meaning, see, all of you have somehow got the answer, but your steps are meaning like you've kind of made like 5 steps into 3 steps. I'm like wondering how you could do that. So, it's okay. Now, I'm going ahead with Sahana's working. She's very clear. So before that, I'll tell you something. Supposing we have x squared is equal to y cubed. Supposing we have this. Okay, we have x squared is equal to y cubed. Now, if you want to find the value of x, we know that x, okay, x to the power, say 4, x to the power 4 is equal to y cubed. And you want to write x is equal to what? Okay, so what you should do, x to the power, let me take the next slide. I said x to the power 4 is equal to y cubed. Now raise both the sides to the power 1 by 4. Raising both the sides to the power 1 by 4. Raise both the sides to the power 1 by 4. See, you can do the same thing on both the sides. Whatever you do in the left hand side, do the same thing in the right hand side. So what happens? 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So x is equal to y to the power 3 by 4. Or if you want to find y, x to the power 4 is equal to y to the power 3. If you want to find y, then raise both the sides to the power 1 by 3. 1 by 3, because only then 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Then you can find y. So raise both the sides to the power 1 by 3. So it will be x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 3. So y is equal to x to the power 4 by 3. So here what you can do is, okay, so what you can do here is, now we have to find x by y, the whole power x by y, the whole power x by y. Now see, we have x to the power y is equal to y to the power x. The answer you can see has the base x everywhere. The answer has base x everywhere. Everywhere the 4 options you have, no, has base x. That means in the answer there is no y. There is no y in the answer. So what you do is you raise both the sides to the power. 1 second. Yeah. Okay. So we are given that x to the power y is equal to y to the power x. Raise both the sides to the power 1 by y. So x to the power y, the whole power 1 by y is equal to y to the power x, the whole power 1 by y. Raising both the sides to the power 1 by y. So y and y will get cancelled. So you have x is equal to y by y to the power x by y. Okay, have this result. Now come back to what is given here. Is equal to x to the power x by y divided by y to the power x by y. So this is equal to x to the power x by y divided by, what is y to the power x by y? X. See, this one is nothing but x. So x. Now bases are same. X means x to the power 1. X means x to the power 1. Now bases are same and it's division. So we have to subtract the powers. So x to the power x by y minus 1. The 4 options you have are in the base x. The base y is not there, base x. Now this is given to us. This is given to us. So see here, X to the power y is equal to y to the power x is given to us. So we want to find x is equal to what? X is equal to what? You can do this in another way. It's time today. I'll explain this. Understand this. We'll do meaning the same thing in a same procedure, but using y. We'll do it in the next class. So here, raise both the sides to the power 1 by y. When you raise both the sides to the power 1 by y, what happens? Y and y gets cancelled. And here it becomes x by y. So you have x is equal to y to the power x by y. Now come back to what you have to evaluate. So if you have a by b the whole square, it's nothing but a square by b square. The power applies to both the numerator and the denominator. So the power x by y. The power x by y is for both the numerator and the denominator. So x to the power x by y divided by y to the power x by y. But we know that y to the power x by y is equal to x. So we replace x. Now base are same and it's division, so we subtract the powers. So this is the answer. So this is the option A. Take a screenshot, children. Practice this. Take a picture. Taken, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, children. So please practice from the tuition notebook only. Please practice number systems from your tuition notebook. I'll be scheduling some exams. I already scheduled 2. Some of you have not still taken up. We'll also discuss the answers to that test 5. Test 5, certain questions, a few of you have not done it correctly. So we'll also discuss the answers to test 5 in the next class. Please practice number systems. I'll be scheduling more exams in the portal shortly next week. So this Saturday and Sunday, make sure that you revise everything in your tuition classwork notebook. I'll also be sharing some MCQs with the answers for practice. MCQs with answers for practice. Please practice that also. And have all of you know how to access the portal, see the library, questions, answers, and study material and everything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Anybody
ma'am.
has a doubt? Yeah, anybody has a doubt, I can show you now. The others can leave and I'll show you. Anybody has a doubt there? You just have to log into the portal using your credentials and you can see everything there. You'll see the library, questions, answers. Roshni, you have a doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right then, children. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Good night. You may leave the call.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you. Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Good night.